Hi, now I show you the first mini bank check build in Italy, and for the absence of the coins in the 1975 until 1979, and they had their normal value of 50, 100, 150, 200, 300, 350 lire, and the check was emitted to the popular banks, and in some case to the other banks by concession of central Italian bank, because there was the biggest valuation in that period, and so the central bank of Italy can't build all the coins, and so that mini check, there was a value of the coins. It was substitute with mini check. This mini check, for example, this is a mini check. The bank is a Bank Ambrosiano in Milan, and the value was 100 lire. 100 lire, and as I say before, are in substitution of the coins. Okay, and the period is in 1976. Here is right, you can see, and was very, very strange, but was a part of our past here in Italy, when the value, the money, was a lira and not euro like now.